You don't need a ring light. You don't need a camera. You don't even need to fix your hair. Because the best money online right now, it has nothing to do with showing your face. 44% of Americans say they need a side hustle just to survive financially. And the good news is you can build real income from your laptop, in your pajamas, completely off camera. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best side hustles for people who never want to be on screen. Let's get into it. Number 1. Freelance writing. Every business in America needs content. Blog posts, email newsletters, product descriptions, landing pages, and most of them can't write it themselves. The freelance writing market hit $7.6 billion in 2025 and is growing at 8.1% annually. And 84% of companies outsource their content, keeping demand for skilled writers structurally high. Best writing though, here's where it gets interesting. Generic writing is getting replaced by AI, but specialized writing, that's actually getting more valuable. Freelancers working on AI-related projects on Upwork are earning 44% more per hour than those on non-AI projects. Media Bistropic, a niche finance, health, tech, real estate, and you can charge $50 to $150 per article within your first few months. Number 2. Proofreading and editing. You don't need a journalism degree for this. You just need a sharp eye. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the average hourly wage for proofreaders is around $24.57, and those working in legal, medical, or public relations earn significantly more. Here's something most people don't realize. Demand for human proofreaders has actually grown despite AI tools because businesses are producing more content than ever and need human quality assurance on the final product. Earning living gonfols like Reeds Work and Fiverr are full of clients looking for this right now. 0 camera required. Number 3. Print on demand. This one is pure passive income once it's set up. You design a graphic, a funny quote, a niche hobby graphic, anything, upload it to a platform like Printify or Redbubble, and they handle everything: printing, shipping, customer service. You just collect the money. Shopify highlights print on demand as one of the lowest risk ways to enter e-commerce. Entrepreneurs can run entire online stores without ever holding inventory. Quartz key is niches. Dog lovers, nurses, teachers, gym people. The more specific your audience, the more your designs sell. Number 4. Virtual assistant work. Businesses are drowning in task scheduling, inbox management, data entry, social media posting, research. They need help, and they're willing to pay for it. According to Upwork, virtual assistants are in constant demand as small businesses outsource scheduling, bookkeeping, and data entry with no upfront investment required. Quartz entry-level VAs are making $15 to $25 an hour. Specialized VAs, the ones who handle things like podcast management or email marketing, can charge $40 to $75 an hour. And you do all of it from a keyboard. Number 5. Selling digital products. Create it once, sell it forever. That's the magic of digital products. Templates, ebooks, budgeting spreadsheets, Notion planners, Canva packs. People buy these every single day on Etsy and Gumroad. One creator is currently making over $6,300 a month in passive income just from digital products, affiliate links, and AI tools entirely from home. International business timestop digital product creators on platforms like Teachable, Kajabi, and Udemy earn anywhere from $100,000 to over $1 million a year in passive income. You don't need to be at that level to start. You just need to start. Proofers the bottom line. You don't need followers. You don't need confidence in front of a lens. 70% of workers now believe people should always be looking for income sources beyond their main job. The question is, which one of these are you starting this week? Drop it in the comments. And if you found this valuable, subscribe because we're dropping financial game like this every single week on CashFlow hacks.